Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you what to do if your Face Unlock isn't working in your NUBIA Air phone. At first, get the microfiber cloth and clean the front of your phone right here. The camera, of course, camera lens clean. Of course, it doesn't have to be microfiber cloth, it can be any cloth, but without using water or any other alcohols. Just clean it with the soft cloth. This should work for you now, but if it doesn't, I do recommend registering the face. So go to the settings over here, tap the security and privacy, scroll down to the device unlock, tap fingerprint and face unlock, enter your pattern, tap face unlock. Here, delete facial data. Delete, tap face unlock again, tap done, and here in this frame you have to have your face. Tap create now, put your face in the middle of this circle, and now you're good to go. Now we can check if it works. Of course, meantime, what I do recommend, wait a moment. As you can see, it works for me. Meanwhile, I do recommend to ensure the good lighting during the setup and use of the here the face camera lens and sensor, and everything should be fine. But if it doesn't work for you, go to the settings, back again, scroll all the way down to the system and update, and now tap the system update. Here, if you do have any system that is pending for your phone, update it immediately. This should have your phone fixed, and as you can see, the version is 15.0.5, so we had a couple of fixes here earlier. And that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.